Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Dreaming of extra garage space? Look no more. This 4-bed, 2-bath, pool home located on 1 acre features a detached 6-car garage 54 by 23 for 1,242 square feet. With 3 garage door bays, plus 2-car carport 23 by 26 for 598 square feet and an additional workshop behind the house. Vacant and ready for you to make it your own. Roofs replaced in 2017. Quiet, well-kept secret of estate-style homes on 1-care lots in Spring Hill and close to shopping and a quick commute to Tampa. Hurry, this will not last long.